The stock market and crypto market have been on fire over the last few weeks. The Nasdaq was up about 6.5%, meanwhile Bitcoin is up a massive 38.5% over the last month. You might be brand new to the world of investing and looking to get in on the action. Over the past 7 years, I've spent thousands of hours testing and reviewing different investing apps for my blog, investingsimple.com. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down the best investing apps, and I'm going to be explaining to you why I think these are the best choice based on my experience. Now guys, a lot of work and planning went into this particular video, so if you don't mind dropping a like as well as hitting subscribe and the bell for the YouTube algorithm, that would be very much appreciated. And real quick before we dive in here guys, I am not a financial advisor and this is not any sort of financial advice. The first investing app on our list is Robinhood. This is the fintech company that kicked off the commission-free stock trading revolution. Robinhood started out as the newcomer on the block looking to shake things up in the world of traditional finance. Today, they are a publicly traded company with over 20 million users and worth about $30 billion. So what can you do with Robinhood? Well, for starters, they pioneered commission-free stock trading, and that is still one of their headline features today. Robinhood supports fractional investing in over 10,000 securities like stocks and ETFs listed on major US exchanges. Now, fractional investing means you can invest in dollar increments instead of whole shares, and that can be especially helpful with stocks like Microsoft that have a very high share price. Robinhood is the only investing app I've come across that lets you invest in $1 increments with fractional shares. Everyone else seems to be a $5 minimum. Now, in addition to stocks as well as options and even now futures trading, Robinhood also supports crypto investing. They've even rolled out a new crypto wallet feature which allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies to and from your Robinhood account. Recently, Robinhood launched a brand new advanced desktop trading platform called Robinhood Legend, which is designed for active traders that are looking for a more robust trading experience. Overall, you can find almost everything you're looking to invest in right in the Robinhood app. They have a super sleek platform on both desktop and mobile with a great overall user experience. Many have dubbed Robinhood as the most beginner-friendly investing app out there. There are no monthly fees or minimums to use the basic version of the app. The best part is you can also get a free stock worth up to $200 when you open a new account using the link on screen or down below. I'm also going to have all of the bonus offers linked up in the description below, so be sure to check it out yourself. This free stock is going to be a fractional share, and you actually get to choose your free fractional share from a list of 20 leading American companies. Now, I also have an in-depth Robinhood tutorial for beginners that I'm going to put in the corner as well as down below, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for all of the apps on this list. Last detail on Robinhood, they also rolled out retirement accounts in recent years, and this has become a very popular feature. You can open up a traditional or Roth IRA with Robinhood, and each comes with an unheard of match offered by Robinhood. All Robinhood users with a retirement account will get a 1% match on their contribution. So if you put in $5,000, for example, you'll get a $50 match. But if you have Robinhood Gold, which starts out at $5 per month, this comes with a 3% match on IRA contributions. This can be a pretty good bang for your buck, and Robinhood is the only investing app I'm aware of that offers a match on non-employer sponsored retirement accounts. Now guys, if you've gotten any value out of this video so far, please drop a like for the YouTube algorithm. Let's switch gears now and talk about crypto investing. Coinbase is the largest crypto exchange in the United States, and they're currently seeing a massive inflow of new users. Crypto prices have been going parabolic ever since the US election took place. So if you're looking to get in on this, Coinbase has a crazy bonus offer for a very short time. All you have to do is sign up for a new Coinbase account using my link on screen or down in the description below, and then place your first trade. And then within 48 hours, Coinbase is going to give you $50 in free Bitcoin. Make sure you use my link to get this bonus and to see if the promotion is still active, and if it's not, there's most likely going to be another promotion in place. Coinbase is pretty much like the Robinhood of crypto investing when it comes to the platform and overall user experience. It's extremely easy to use, and many people who are just getting started in the world of crypto investing do so with Coinbase. Coinbase is also a massive publicly traded company now with a market value of about $70 billion. Over 150 different tokens can be traded through the Coinbase app or desktop platform. In addition, if you want self-custody of your cryptocurrencies, the Coinbase wallet is available as a separate app. Storing your cryptocurrencies on exchange does does come with some risks, but Coinbase does have certain types of insurance in place against theft. That's why many crypto investors will use a wallet such as the Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or perhaps something else. In addition, Coinbase also has some other cool features like Coinbase Earn, where you can get up to 12% APY by staking your tokens. They also offer Coinbase Learn, which is where you can complete short learning modules and earn free crypto rewards in the process. So be sure to use my link down below to see if the free $50 Bitcoin bonus is still available, and I'll also include my Coinbase tutorial in the corner. Let's switch gears now and talk about your uninvested cash. Whether it's your emergency fund, savings for a house, or whatever it may be, this is a great time to be sitting on extra cash. And that's because interest rates have been hiked in order to curb inflation. Now, the Federal Reserve has actually cut rates 2 times now in 2024, but there is still a great APY to be had across many platforms. For me, I keep a lot of my cash with M1 Finance. They have a high-yield cash account that currently offers a 4.25% APY. Your money is fully FDIC insured, and the interest you earn is deposited each month. For me, the transfers between M1 and my bank take 1 business day, so I can zip my money in and out with ease to make sure I am earning the most interest on it. But they do have a fee for accounts with balances under $10,000. For small accounts, this may be a concern, but for those with a sizable nest egg or a plan to invest with them, it could be manageable. M1 Finance has a great platform for long-term passive investing, whether that be dividend investing, ETF investing, or both. If you want to check them out, M1 Finance has an exclusive bonus offer for my audience. When you open a free account using my link, you'll get an APY boost of 0.5% for the first 3 months. So for the time being, that would be a boosted rate of 4.75%. So be sure to use my link down below when you sign up to get this APY boost. Circling back now to the world of crypto investing, let's cover Crypto.com. This is a more robust crypto exchange that's going to offer a few more features and a larger selection of cryptocurrencies compared to Coinbase. Users are able to trade over 200 different tokens through their app or desktop platform. In addition, you'll also find some more advanced trading strategies available, such as derivatives and options. Now, keep in mind that crypto investing in general is viewed as risky, and these more advanced strategies are basically risk piled on top of risk. There's also a wide selection of what's referred to as altcoins on Crypto.com, and altcoins are essentially the penny stocks of the crypto investing world. They pump and dump, and most people lose a significant amount of money, with a very small few generating significant returns. Speculation like that in general is not recommended, but I did want to make you aware of what was available, since this is what many people use Crypto.com for. In addition, Crypto.com also offers a Visa card which connects directly to your account, and this is my personal favorite feature. With this card, you can sell off your crypto balances and spend that money as US dollar immediately right from your account. You can also earn crypto rewards on your spending depending on what tier of card you have with them. If you want to check out Crypto.com yourself, be sure to use my link down below or on screen to get a welcome bonus worth up to $500. You can also use my referral code Ryan24 when signing up to get the bonus. In addition, I'll also put my full Crypto.com tutorial in the corner as well as down below for later. But let's say you're looking to make some investments that are less common than run-of-the-mill assets like stocks and ETFs. Public is another popular investing app out there. This investing platform focuses equally on investments as well as research tools. You'll find a wide variety of assets available on Public, including alternative assets like art and collectibles, as well as research tools like their built-in AI assistant. There's a lot to cover with Public, so let's go ahead and break it down by category, starting with equities or stocks. Public supports commission-free fractional share investing in the major US listed stocks and ETFs. However, the minimum to invest is $5. In addition, they also offer options contracts as well as investments in individual bonds and cryptocurrencies. Looking at the bond investments, Public offers corporate, treasury, and municipal bond investments with minimums as low as $100. And we're not talking about bond ETF investments, we're talking about direct ownership of bonds. Public also has a robust tool built in specifically for bond analysis, as well as AI-powered tools for stock research. Moving on now to cryptocurrency, Public offers crypto investments through their third-party partner. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as about a dozen other tokens through the app. However, one thing you're not able to do is send and receive cryptocurrencies to and from your Public account at this point in time. Now, in addition to investments, Public is also a popular choice for those looking to park their uninvested cash. Now, keep in mind that rates are subject to change based on the federal funds rate. But right now, Public is offering bond accounts with yields up to 7% for those looking to get a maximum return on their cash and willing to take on a little bit of risk. And for those who prefer an FDIC insured savings account, Public currently offers a 4.35% APY high yield cash account. Finally, looking at the alternative investments category, Public offers investments in artwork, collectibles like sneakers, Pokemon cards, and more. These investments are certainly not for everyone, but they are available to you within the Public app if you want to diversify into them. Now, if you want to check out Public, be sure to use my link on the screen or down in the description below, as they have an exclusive offer just for my audience. When you open up a new Public account using my link, you're going to get a free $20 bonus investment. All you have to do is open up the account with the link in the description or on screen, and then click the 3 lines in the top left, and then click on rewards. From there, you're going to scroll down to where it says enter promo code, and then type in Ryan 2024. This is going to let you choose a free $20 bonus investment from a list of stocks, and in my case, I personally chose Apple. Now, I'm going to be doing a full Public investing app tutorial shortly, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for when that video comes out. Up next on the list, we have Webull. This is another popular commission-free stock market investing app, but it comes with a more robust trading experience. With Webull, you're going to find more advanced charting and data available compared to beginner-oriented apps like Robinhood. In fact, many have even called Webull the more advanced version of the Robinhood app. In addition, they also offer a competitive APY on your uninvested cash. Webull is popular among active traders who are looking to get access to the charts and data they're looking for within a mobile app, but in addition, they also have a robust desktop trading platform too. However, for those looking for a simpler trading experience, one that feels more similar to Robinhood, for example, you can simply enable Webull Lite with one swipe in the settings. And this is going to give you a completely different user interface that's a lot more beginner friendly. If you want to check out Webull, be sure to use my link down below or on screen to get the free stock bonus. Now, that bonus is going to change every so often, but each one of those free stocks is going to be worth between $3,000 and $3,000, and you can click my link down below to view the most current bonus. I also have a full Webull tutorial for beginners that I'll link up in the description below. Lastly, we have the OG investing app or platform, and that is Fidelity. Fidelity offers a one-stop shop for most of your financial needs, from retirement to investing to day-to-day spending. Fidelity was founded back in 1946, and since then they've helped over 50 million people with managing their money and investments. One of the most popular investments offered through Fidelity is their Fidelity Zero Index Mutual Funds. This is a collection of funds that are exclusive to the Fidelity investment platform that come with zero minimums, zero commissions, and zero expenses. Almost all other funds out there charge an expense for fund management, so this is rather unheard of. As far as the app goes itself, the Fidelity app is a little bit old school, but you're still going to find everything that you're likely looking for. The Fidelity app also has a handy interactive assistant where you can make changes to your account, such as enabling dividend reinvestment. You're going to find all of the stocks and ETFs available elsewhere right through Fidelity, as well as mutual funds and even some other assets that you might not find on these newer trading apps. So when it comes to investing in traditional assets, Fidelity is at the top of the chart. Where Fidelity does fall short is when it comes to offering a free stock bonus or deposit incentive. Since they are so well established, Fidelity does not offer a free stock or deposit bonus to new users. They simply provide a really good platform and service. If you do want to learn more about Fidelity, make sure you check out my full Fidelity investing tutorial linked up down below. That's going to wrap things up here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to the very end, don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. You can click below to watch my latest video, and I hope to see you there.